Hi everybody and welcome. My name is Liz. Today is a fun video. I'm just going to show you how you can create word art in Goodnotes just like this. Hopefully this inspires you and brings out your creativity. I have a little Etsy store. I'm going to leave that link below, so if you like what you see, please take a look. Let's get started. We're going to start with this boxed lettering called Summer, and I imported myself a color palette. So this is my color palette that I've been using to create these stickers, but you can use any color that you want. So the very first thing I'm going to do is make a text box style, a background essentially to put my letters on. So if I tap on the S, you can see that it is separate from the box. And if I tap on the box, this is movable. Tap once. Let's see if this will move. This is movable. You can use the lasso tool to make it bigger, smaller, angle it, whatever you want to do. It is so much fun. This is just to inspire you so that you can create your own words. Now, just a little background. I created myself a notebook in Goodnotes that's separate from anything else, where I can keep my originals. I consider this an original, that I can come back out and change the colors, change the words, add more boxes to make different words in here. And then what I will do is I will merge this as one sticker. And let me show you how to do that right now. You're going to pull out your notes app from the bottom. Let's delete this. There's marks on there. You're going to take your lasso tool and lasso your creation. So this is the original. All of the pieces are separate. The letters are separate from the background text boxes. So to put that on your planning page, you're going to, if you tap on it, it might move around. And this way you're creating one merge sticker. You're going to copy and drag it onto here. Use your finger to tap on here to copy and paste into place. And as you can see now, the dashes are all around, and you can do anything you want with this. This is one merged sticker for you to put in your planning pages. So much fun to do. And you still have your original to come back and play with if you want to create other words. All right, so I'm going to tap on this text box. I have to be on the text tool. Tap on this text box and up comes it here in the text box style. The text box style has a drop-down menu. Many of you maybe already know how to use this. Just play around with it. You can change the background color, the border color. You can make this rounded. So it's turning, it's rounding out the corners. You can add a shadow. You can not have a shadow. So many things that you can do here. It is not the greatest or easiest, but it does a basic job, enough to create some beautiful word art. Unfortunately, it does not have the ability to have a dropper tool to change the background color. It's a little bit more difficult. If you want a precise color, you're going to have the hex code. So I have a hex code here already. So I'm going to tap on that hex code. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to tap on my background and change that color. So we're going to tap on background color, and I'm going to start, like, this is what I found that works the best, is to just start at the beginning, go to the end, delete it, and press on that, and tap back. And now we've got a new background color for our letters. The letters that I've used, the font that I've used, if I tap on that, is Impact. And I have it at 162. The size doesn't matter. You're going to make that size fit for your needs. So that is Impact, but you can change. Let's copy this. Let's copy this and paste it and put it on top of here. It's a little bit small, so I'm going to use my lasso tool to resize it to fit on here, and you can use any font that you want to, honestly. Let's tap on this text tool, make sure that's on because that's what you're using here. Edit, and I'm going to use Baby Angelo. It's a cute font, and you can use that, and that really kind of looks summery to me. And there you go, you've created a box for your word art with font on top. I hope that is clear and you are enjoying that. Let's move on. Here is just a font pairing. I'm going to show you what this font pairing is, and each one is a different color. I've put them together, but I created them separately because if I tap on Breeze, you can see the outline covers up summer. So I have to move this out of the way so that I can actually tap on summer. one tap. It is called Buttercake Duo. This particular one is Buttercake Duo in this color that I have here, and this one is called Just Buttercake. So this is a font pairing that is so cute. It looks breezy to me, so easy to do. So play around with color, play around with fonts, and you will come up, and play around with words and sayings that you want to have on your pages. Again, these are two separate elements, and we do have to merge them in order for them to be one element on your planning page. Copy and paste. And so now you've got yourself a sticker. This is a good example to show you. The sticker, as you saw, Breeze is just I don't know why it has so much space around it, but you can come now and crop it so that all of that extra space is eliminated and you have a very tight sticker. There we go. And now you can use that on your planning pages. Come back to your original, change out the colors, change out what it says. Super easy to do. Same idea with this, turning your word art onto the side. Think of things that make you enjoy summer. This is so much fun because we're going to be outside doing a lot of things. So let me tap on this. Oh, I have to be on the text tool. This is called Authentic Urban Font, and this one here is called Ashley Marie. And by pairing this, we have this beautiful, interesting word art. I can just simply change the color out, very easily color. Look at my color palette. Let's make this yellow. Let's change this. I like that one. Let's change this one out to maybe the purple or the red. And now you've got a completely different colored sticker. Lots of fun to do. Okay, so this one is a little bit more work, but it is absolutely so much fun to create. You are simply going to draw a line. You can draw any type of line that you want and hold. And then you're going to place each individual letter on your line. So if you can see, I'm going to recreate this. I drew a line that looked like this because I wanted the summer. I don't know if I can move it up. No. I wanted the summer to go from larger to smaller. And I'm going to delete this and just show you that each letter is individually done, rotated, and sized, easily using your lasso tool and placed on that line to create this beautiful word art called Summer Fun. So again, you can create any type of line and put word on it. So I'm just going to go like this. Nope, can't do that. Sorry. I'm just going to go like this. And now you can take each individual letter that you've created. Some of the times they overlap. There we go. And I'm going to resize this. So just to show you how I did this on the line, and put it on the line the best that I can. Resize. And you're going to just do that one letter at a time. And when you erase this line that you created, you're going to have this really pretty flowing word art for yourself. And you can change it. It could be all one color. You can change the colors. Lots of fun. This is also so much fun just using text and an image. So I just thought of a saying that I wanted to have. I knew that I wanted to have this saying, and I knew that I had stickers, a sticker that would work for here. So that's just a sticker here. So let's look at the fonts that I used. This is Everlast. I have to look that up. I do not know. Everlast Martina. And it's a font duo, Everlast Martina Sans. So that is what this one is. And then this is the same, Everlast Martina. So I used the word pairing that I have here, and each word was a different color. How did I come up with these colors? Super easy. I'm gonna just move sun out of the way so that you can see. I tapped on that and I pressed color, and we have the color dropper tool. So I could go on my sticker and pick any color I wanted. and it would turn into that color. So I essentially used my sticker to pull the colors out and create this beautiful word out. Easy, easy to do. And because this one is really in a lot of separate pieces, it is a much, you do have to merge it so that you can have this on your planning pages. Press and hold, copy, paste. And there you have one sticker for yourself to put on your planning pages. Lots of fun. You can come out in here and change the drink and change all of the colors. You can change the fonts. It is endless. This is your master copy. You can do whatever you want with it. All right, so this is fun. This is created using one of my stickers, and I used each individual letter and placed it around the sticker, so you don't have to draw yourself a line. You could have a actual sticker that you want to put word art on. So just to show you, each individual letter, each one is an individual letter that I put on and rotated using the lasso tool. And this was fun to make as well because it is not one word. I had to separate the letters in order for it to angle around here, and I'll show you that in a moment. And this is just using the pen tool and the dot, just like that around it. So using the tools that Goodnotes provides, you can do lots of different things. So I'm going to show you if this works. Tapping on too much. It's in 3 separate sections in order for it to fit around this corner. So be creative. You can do this. This font is called Brightwoods, and this one here is called Daily Book. Gotta look at the rest of it. Daily Book Stripe, and there's a companion called Daily Book Inline. How fun and easy is this to do? Well, let's go back to the beginning. I hope this has inspired you and that you have fun with this. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you, everybody.